With your infotainment system's navigation function, you'll reach your destination quickly and safely. Find out how to make best use of your navigation system and which features will assist you on your way, helping to keep you relaxed on everyday journeys and longer trips. Switch to the navigation map by pressing the navigation button on your dashboard. To be able to use live navigation, you'll need to have the service activated in the Vauxhall Connect store. You'll now need to check that live navigation is active and that the privacy settings are correct in your vehicle. To do so, tap on the messages icon and select Connection Service. Tap on the globe icon to update the service and connection status. If the services are showing as activated and available, return to the previous screen and tap on Private Mode and ensure that Sharing Data and Vehicle Position is selected. Confirm the settings. If you have created multiple profiles, you will need to change the privacy settings for each profile. Back on the map screen, if you see the TomTom traffic icon, your live navigation services are active and connected. You can then start using your navigation system, including live navigation. To set a destination for route guidance, open the navigation menu. Here you can search for different types of destinations, such as addresses or points of interest. Let's select an address. First, ensure the destination country is set. Then enter the city name or postcode and select the matching details from the list. Then confirm your selection. The best route will then be highlighted on the map with live traffic information. Ensure that the TomTom traffic icon is still displayed. The bar will indicate any incidents along your route, starting from the bottom. It will also provide an estimated arrival time and any expected delays along the way. You can also change which notifications you'd like to see on the map. Just open Map Settings and select the notifications from the list. If you have activated the Road Safety Alert service in the Vauxhall Connect store, these alerts will automatically be displayed on the map, and you will also receive a warning when you are approaching one of them. Did you know you can quickly add a fuel station as a stop on your journey just by tapping the icon on the map and confirming the destination as a waypoint?